Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Your age as compared to that of the former peoples is like the time between the Asr prayer and the sunset, and your example and that of the Jews and the Christians is like the one who has engaged the laborers to do some task and said, 'Who among you will work for me till noon in exchange for 1 carat?' So the Jews worked till the appointed hours. He then said, 'Who among you will work for me from noon to the Asr?' So the Christians did the work until the Asr time. Thereafter you are doing the task from Asr to Maghrib for 2 carats. They, the Jews and the Christians said, 'We have worked for comparatively a long period of time, whereas we have been awarded with meager wages.' He, the employer, said, 'Have I given you lesser than what you deserve?' They submitted, 'No.' He then said, 'It is my bounty. I may give it to someone as much as I please.' Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 5021.